Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to delete our posts all at once on Facebook. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our Facebook account. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click our profile icon. And right after that, if we try to check on our screen, we do have here the multiple posts that we have on our Facebook account. And if we wish that we are going to delete this one all at once, all we need to do then is to click the three dots here. And right after that, we're going to click Activity Log. And once we are routed on this page, we need to click Manage Your Post. And if you notice on the screen right now, it allows us to see the different posts that we had on our account. So if you wish that we are going to delete these, basically we can tap this and have the check mark. But if in case that we are going to delete these all posts, all we need to do then is to click all. And right after that, we're going to click trash. So we're going to click this one. And right after that, we're going to click trash. And to confirm the deletion of those posts, we can go ahead and click move to trash. So basically, that's how we are going to delete our posts on Facebook all at once. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.